Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a windshield wiper car life hack. And this will allow you to make them work better. So essentially, once again, the topic of this video will be me telling you about and showing you specifically a windshield wiper car life hack to allow them to make them work better. Once again, just to clarify, just so you know what you're in for with regards to this video, and just because I filmed a lot of videos today and I got to get my mind straight for this video, I'll be showing you and telling you about this specific topic. I will be dealing with the following topic of, specifically telling you about, without any more jargon, let's get into the topic. The topic of this video is a windshield wiper car life hack that will allow them to make them work better. And I don't even know if that fully makes sense. So I'm going to say it one more time, okay? I will be showing you and telling you about specifically a windshield wiper car life hack. So a life hack for your car windshield wipers, a car life hack for your windshield wipers, and it will allow you to make your windshield wipers work better. So, you know what, I'm not going to redo this video. I've said it like 10 times. I need to say for myself, I don't know if it's my OCD kicking in, but for myself, I need to say my title exactly as it is. It's how I keep track of my videos. So I do apologize, okay? But I'm going to say the title one last time. You might have clicked away unless you know, if you watch all my videos, I appreciate it. But specifically, okay, I'm not going to redo this video because right now I'm like 19 for 19 videos in a row. I'm not going to ruin my record right now, okay? So this video specifically is about the following topic. I'll be showing you and telling you, both showing you and telling you about the following. I'll be showing you and telling you about a windshield wiper car life hack that will allow you to make them work better. So you can essentially make them work better, as in your windshield wipers, with this windshield wiper car life hack. Let's get into this life hack. Almost 2 minutes in. I could have been finished the video now, but I said the title 20 times. It is what it is, baby. It's what happens when you film as much as I do. Anyways, I'm not going to write this video off because hopefully you stuck around. Totally worth it, okay? Very simple. And honestly, like, I didn't do this like to drag the video on. That's not what I did. Sometimes when I filmed so many videos straight, my mind is like, which video is this? I don't know. I've done like, this is my 19th video straight. Yeah, and I'm not going to ruin the record of my momentum and have to redo it. So anyways, what I have here is the rear windshield wiper of my CRV. You can now you can't see from this angle, but I took it off the rear windshield. So obviously that's why it's so small, because the front windshield wipers are going to be much bigger. Now, obviously windshield wipers deteriorate over time, but if you look at your windshield wiper, okay, if you see some cracks in it, some damage, obviously then you should replace it. But if your windshield wiper is not performing at its best, and it's not cracked or damaged, and the rubber is perfectly fine and perfectly straight, then you don't need a replacement. You need to clean it, and you need to treat it, essentially. So how do you do that? Well, there's something very simple that I use all the time called WD-40. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but WD stands for water displacement. Now, your windshield wipers, their goal is to displace the water on your windshield. Whether it's your front windshield or your rear windshield, their goal is to displace the water. So what better to use than a water displacement solution, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. Get your WD-40, spray it on a rag, okay? And then rub that rag up and down on the windshield wiper rubber piece, 10 times, 3 times, doesn't matter. Like, as long as you rub it a few times, it's going to be good. What that's going to do is, number one, it's going to clean the rubber on the windshield wiper, because you can see this one's quite filthy, okay? It's going to clean the rubber on the windshield wiper. Number two, it's going to allow it to be treated, like it's going to make the rubber a little bit stronger because of the lubrication feature in WD-40. In addition, it's going to give it its water displacement properties. Okay. Now, obviously, it's not going to last forever. Of course not. It's going to wash off over time. But you could just rub the windshield wiper again. And here's the thing. You don't even need to take off your windshield wipers. I just took it off because my neighbor's doing a renovation. I'm parked in my driveway right now. My neighbor's doing a renovation, and it's quite loud outside. So I didn't want to film this outside. So I took the windshield wiper off so that I could film this quickly. Okay. Very simple. In the car. In addition, that's also why I'm not spraying this on a rag, because I don't want to spray it in here. I'd rather do it outside. But that's what you're going to do. Take your WD-40, spray it on a rag, rub that rag along the rubber piece of the windshield wiper, and that's going to clean it. It's going to make it a little bit more durable, and it's going to treat it with its water displacement properties. And when you use your windshield wipers, they're going to work like phenomenally well. Now, like I said, if there's a crack or like a missing part, obviously you got to get new windshield wipers. That goes without being said. But if they look perfectly fine and they're just not performing top notch, Put a little WD-40, baby. WD-40 does so many things. It's unbelievable. It's crazy how many uses it has. It's like duct tape. You know, duct tape has so many uses. WD-40 has like just as many. It's crazy. Anyways, I do honestly from the bottom of my heart apologize about that long intro. I was like, I should restart the video, but at the same time, I'm like, I shouldn't, because yeah, of course this one video, would be affected, but then the next few that I film would also be affected because my momentum would be gone. So I kept my momentum. I said the title like 10 times, I'm sorry, but it's just what I do. I need to say the title I need to say the title like precisely how I'm going to title it once. That's just how I operate with my content. And that's it. Maybe I'll change it in the future. I mean, maybe I won't be so specific, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was worth the wait of the 2-minute intro. If not, honestly, it is what it is. This is the video. It's a great video. I think it was well worth the wait. And yeah, that's it. Get your windshield wipers working much better using this car life hack. Yeah, it's that simple. If you like this video tutorial about a car life hack for windshield wipers, to make them work better with WD-40 and a rag, I told you how to do it. I didn't show you, but I told you. So you can do it yourself outside, like I said, for your own vehicle and your own windshield wipers. If you like the video, I'm dragging this on. Wow, this is not good. Anyways, I'm going to finish the video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.